Hello everyone and welcome back to another day of Craftmas. Today I thought we would do some Christmas themed water marbled vases. I have previously done some water marbling on the channel before, but I water marbled mugs last time, and this time we are going to be water marbling some vases. And what makes it Christmassy is the fact that I'm going to be using Christmas colours, or colours that I thought were as Christmassy as I could get. So I've got kind of a gold, I don't even know what colour that is. It might be kind of like a hollow glitter. Christine would be proud. You've got gold there, you've got red, kind of another teal, and like a silvery colour. So I thought we'd make some nice patterns on here and yeah, and just see what happens. Thing is with water marbling, it either goes really well or it goes really bad. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But I got these little vases from TK Maxx, a store I absolutely love, and I think they were only a few pound, but like, look at that. And that. I think they were only like, maybe like a £5, if not £10. So cheap. I've got an obsession with TK Maxx. Anyone who knows us in real life knows that I absolutely love TK Maxx, but yeah, so I think we'll start with this little small one. What colour shall we do? I might do a red gold. No, I'll just go simple. I'll do red and gold for this one, I think. Oh god, this nail varnish is so thick. Give it a bit of a mix up. No, I don't think this is going to work too well. I don't think this nail varnish is very good. I'm not sure whether it's going to work, but I'll stick with it. It just seems quite thick. Let's see if this will work. Add some gold in there. Oh god, why has it gone so horrible for? I don't know whether I've had it sitting around in the studio for too long. Or whether it's supposed to be like this, I don't know. Anyone who wears nail varnish, let me know if nail varnish is supposed to do this, because it doesn't want to come out. Right, this nail varnish is horrible. I'm not going to use that. Well, I've already used it. I'll just try and add some more red to rescue this. Yeah, I don't know whether I've had this nail varnish lying around too long. I don't know whether nail varnish expires, but it just doesn't seem to want to come out properly. Yeah, I'm just going to do a red one, because that's terrible. We'll see how this goes. I don't think this is going to go very well, but I'm just going to dunk. I might dunk the whole thing in, actually. No, I'll just dunk about half in. Oh no! Oh, that looks horrible. Oh, what have I done? It was that stupid gold stuff. That what threw us. It looks like a Halloween vase, let alone a Christmas vase. No. Right, that looks I'm gonna... Oh, that looks horrible. I've ruined that. That nail varnish isn't right. I'm gonna scrap that one and we'll try a different one. 1 second. Well, I've just cleared the top layer off because I couldn't be bothered to get some fresh water, which is probably going to be a mistake. I can predict this is going to go wrong, but I've already water marbled my finger and my thumb, so that's fine. But this one I'm going to do this kind of nice greeny colour. I'll try some of the hollow, and I'll try some silver. The silver's the same as that gold though. I might not do the silver actually. I'll try and stick to these two and hope for the best with this vase. Because if this doesn't work, then this entire video is ruined. But you can just watch me fail. That's fine. Right. Come on, Christmas, not Halloween. Christmas, not Halloween. Already looking better, I think. Right, come on. This'll either make it or break it. Please work. Oh. Why does this get like glittery nail varnish doesn't seem to run water marble? I don't know why. Maybe it's like it's got a different formula to normal nail varnish, I'm not sure, but it looks nice though. It looks nice in the water. I know fine well when I put it on the vase it'll look like though, but right, there we go. That'll do. Right, so for this one, I think I'll go... What should I do with this one? I did it like that last time. I might just go in sideways. Shall I go down? I'll go down. Right. Let's hope for the best. Ah, it's got some of the red on. Never mind. Yeah, that looks horrible too. It's just, ugh. Oh. Look at the state of the bottom. Right, no, I wouldn't do this. What I'll do is I'll leave a link above and below for my other water marble tutorial that actually works. This one just isn't working. I think it's because of the nail varnish. I'm blaming the nail varnish anyway. I don't know what I've done wrong. It kind of looks like vines or something, but it just looks messy. It's horrible. No, don't like it. Well, unfortunately, that tutorial just didn't go how I wanted it to. I thought they were going to turn out really well, actually, because these colours together are really nice, but I think the glitter polishes don't seem to work. They just kind of sink and turn into big blobs on top of the water. So I don't think that helped. And these colours, they just didn't, I don't know, they just didn't seem to work. I didn't have any issues with the last one I did, so I'm not sure where I've gone wrong. The only thing I can think of is that the nail varnish isn't as good as the other nail varnish I used. I'm not sure, but it didn't work, it doesn't work, this hasn't worked. I'm up to day 15, and I think I think this is the only one that's failed, hasn't it? No, my wrapping paper wasn't very good either. So it's only this one and the wrapping paper that's been really horrible. So 2 out of... is that right? Yeah, so 2 out of 15 that haven't gone the way I wanted it to. That's not too bad. But yeah, so at least you know what not to do when you water marble. But yeah, so I'm just gonna have to leave this as day 15 because I've got no other kind of plans or backups of what I can do. But I suppose it's a lesson learned, and that's that really. So yeah. But hopefully you did enjoy me failing and ruining 2 perfectly fine vases. And just ruining loads of nail varnish and just basically doing some unnecessary stuff. And yeah, and that's it really. I know tomorrow's episode will work, and it'll be better than this one. So stick around for that. Make sure to subscribe, and then you can see a tutorial tomorrow that'll actually work. But yeah, I'm done. I'm gonna tidy up and reevaluate my life. But hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.